Where am I again? Oh, that's right, I'm in Wacol. You know why I'm here? Because my last listing, about 5 doors down, sold with multiple offers within days. And I'm looking for more property, so why not? And we're 22 kilometres from the Brisbane CBD, 16 k's from Ipswich, and here I have 3-bedroom, 2-way bathroom, single garage on 302 square metres of easy to maintain land, golf course at the end of the road, train station's just down there. What more could you or your tenant want?
That's where I've been after a long night and some red wine. Could you see me like that? Do you see me like that? I'm not faking